welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is launch day for our November Masterclass project, and I'm going to give you a good look at what is our beautiful sea turtle. So many of you guessed on Facebook when I gave you a sneaky peek. It is a gorgeous sea turtle, and I've called him Mr. T, named after my husband, because it is my husband's all-time favourite project that I've ever made. And I think you're absolutely going to love him. And we also have a giveaway. I have a full turtle pack to give away to somebody. I've got a question for you at the end of the video, but for now, let's have a little look at my Mr. T. So here he is, our beautiful Mr. T, and he's made completely out of fabrics and felt, and probably fabrics that you're more used to working with there. And he has a gorgeous pair of, I've got lovely grey eyes there. Now what we're going to be learning in this particular project, as simple as he may look, we've got a brand new technique here for what I call an overlip, and it's my biggest secret, my overlip. It's what allows me to make Boston Terriers and French Bulldogs and all those sorts of animals with that very realistic look. This is a great project to learn that technique on, and you can see it really gives it that fabulous look there, and I think it's going to benefit you and help you moving forward. Look at all those gorgeous little trinkets and so on his shell. Now the good thing about this one is that it's made in 3 parts, so you can actually pop that shell off, and we've got a little naked turtle underneath there. So it's basically made like 2 little quilts that go around him and clipped in together. It also means that if you're putting this one on a bed, which they sit so beautifully on a bed, you can take them off to wash them, those, if you make sure that you wash all those fabrics first. So you can see, very versatile pattern, so many ways that you can embellish this one. You can really personalize it. Somebody can do a steampunk one. I can't wait to see that. So I think it's a fabulous project to start off with. Would love to have you come and join me in Masterclass and learn all the little techniques for putting this one together. So in this pack for you, I have your felt for your base. So I've got some beautiful, I hope you like the colours I've chosen for you all there. I've used the same green that I've used on my turtle. It's just a gorgeous green. It works very well with so many colours. And then I have for you some 1/2 meters and some fat quarters of beautiful batik style. I've gone for some fabulous ocean style fabrics. This would look great for the flippers. Imagine those shell pieces. So I think those all go together absolutely beautifully. A little bit of the ocean there, and I've chosen the blues and greens because look at these eyes. Beautiful blue eyes there, ready to go. And I have all of your joints included. So you've got your neck, your tail, and the 2 eye joints. And also I've got a beautiful little plaque there to add on the back of your shell. And I think we're going to see some beautiful turtles come out of this one. So let's have a look and see who wins it. So I hope to see some of you come across and join my masterclass. This might be your starting project. If it's something you would like to make, definitely come and join us there. I will put the link to join my Patreon masterclass channel in the description box below. Also, I will put the link to our Facebook page, and come and join that one too, because later in the week, right here on Pay It Forward, I have a new free pattern and project for you, and I think you're absolutely going to love it. I'm really looking forward to this one, and you'll get a sneaky peek on that Facebook page during the week. But for now, somebody has to win that beautiful turtle pack. So I have just one question for you all, and first person to answer in the comments, I will send that pack off to you straight away. So my question is, who is my inspiration? So I think this one's going to go off really quick. I'm excited to see who wins it. Everybody, look, in the meantime, look forward to those upcoming projects. Stay safe, keep being creative, keep paying all the good things forward, and until next time, it is hooroo from me.